Shakira.
Shakira. Hey, her hips don't lie, I don't think. Sight you never thought you'd see.
Oh, I was gonna come complain saying you were late, bro.
Brother, what?
Is that a new cam? How sexy do I look on this thing?
Did you shave? Why'd you shave?
No, just
what are you?
Just up here. Hey,
what's up, buddy? Nice pants, brother. Sean, you got a backpack. I already said this off camera, but oh, never mind. He's got a cake too. What?
How much you gonna rip?
How much am I gonna rip? I'm gonna rip my groin. I could get out that far.
Oh, actually, that was nice.
Is there like a lift down there?
I like this.
I love this. This is where I belong.
After getting bit by a dog, you kind of start getting scared of dogs. That's a shitty feeling.
Ready for the hurricane. Fadeaway, but I like that turn. That was sick. Yeah, if you want to be in this vlog, you're gonna shove it right now. Hello.
Oh.
All right.
Is that good?
That would have been a shore drop.
That would have been a shore.
Oh, look at that. Shore skis.
Oh, dude, so I was doing Uber yesterday. Remember that order I was telling you I did?
Yeah. Hang on. Sorry. Are you concerned about the hurricane? Are you excited that you're making history right now, skimming in a hurricane?
I'd be more scared about a cyclone because that's my favorite T-Pain song.
Ooh, she. Favorite T-Pain song is I Love the Way You Lie.
Idiot.
You made it! Hi, buddy!
You're building a what? Mountain. A mountain? Doesn't look like a mountain. Where's Daddy at? There's Daddy right there. He's skimming. Just kidding, he's right there.
Got sunburnt today.
I got burnt. Do you see that?
Dang.
Right there.
Where'd you get sunburnt?
No, I think it's like right there.
Where?
If
Hang
you
on.
can see.
If you point it up like right there.
You see that burn right there?
Wow. You see that, Rad? Let's see what they're doing, Rad. Are they stealing this guy's catalytic converter?
Hey guys. How are you?
Don't take me. Just take her. Just take her.
Yeah. Wow. Look at this sky. Did you have fun in California, Redo? Yeah. If we ever get out of here because of the hurricane? Hang on. Come here. End the vlog. Say bye.